Hello, lovely friends. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you one of my favorite Ghanaian local dish, garden egg dipping sauce or Nyaadewa Abomu. Guys, let's get right into it. I'll begin to boil garden eggs, turkey berries, and habanero pepper. I'll add in water and then I'll boil for 10 minutes. But I'll remove my habanero pepper as soon as my vegetables begins to boil. Over here, I have my tomatoes and fermented salted fish. I'm roasting it for about 5 to 7 minutes and then I will remove it from flame. I'll be using a sanka or apotoyua. You can also call it earthenware to grind my vegetables. I've added in shallots, scallion, garlic, and removed my habanero pepper from the boiling vegetables and I've added that to it. And then I'll add in my roasted tomatoes and my roasted fermented salted fish. I'll grind until it is nicely smooth. I'll check on my vegetables. If it is cooked, I'll remove it from flame, strain the water, and then set it on the side. To a separate pot of water, I'll begin to cook my nicely peeled yam. I'll add in my salt and then my eggs. I'll cover it and allow it to boil for about 7 minutes. I'll now add in my turkey berries and garden eggs and then I'll grind until it is very smooth. This is optional. I'll add in 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Adding peanut butter to this sauce, guys, is so delicious. This is how my grandmother used to make it for us back in Ghana. But if you're allergic to peanut butter, please do not add it. You can definitely do without it. I'll add in some salt and then I'll grind it a little bit more. At this point, I'm all done grinding, so I'll clean the edges of my earthenware and then I'll cover it and set it on the side. I'll now check on my boiling yam. This is the time I'll be adding my plantain. You can also do without plantain, but I always like a combination of yam and plantain. I allowed the plantain to boil for about 5 minutes and then I removed it into cold water and then continued cooking my yam for 5 to 7 more minutes or until it was very well cooked. Then removed it, strained the water, and set it on the side. All what is left is to melt my palm oil. I added in onion, fried the onion for about 2 minutes, and then I added in my homemade mackerel. I also fried that for about 5 minutes. And this is what I'll be using to garnish my dipping sauce. Oh my God, I was so excited. I just couldn't wait to enjoy this delicious, authentic Ghanaian local dish, guys. Oh my God, I'm such a foodie and I love to eat what I want to eat, guys. So if today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe so that you can be part of this family. And to my amazing, supportive subscribers, God bless you all so much for always coming back to watch my video and also sharing my video. God bless you. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and your community. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye, guys.